Hello ladies and gentlemen. In this video, we will experiment about node modules and its package.json and package-lock.json. So we'll start by creating a new Angular. Say ng generate ng new package locker. So that will be the name of our Angular package.locker. But our focus on this video is just about package.json, and let's just play with it, experiment things. Why do we need package lock, and why is it that there are sometimes the package lock will not be synchronized with our package the JSON, and what will be the consequences if they are not sync, and if we will just delete the package lock the JSON and just generate a new package lock, or just fix the what are the node modules that are, or the dependencies that are not in sync. Hold on. Okay, so let's see, what is the purpose of package lock? So let's try to read some theory here. Alright, so what is the purpose of package lock? What is the purpose of package.json? Okay, your package.json holds important information about the project. It contains human readable metadata about the project, like the project name and description, as well as a functional metadata like the package version number and a list of dependencies required by the application. Okay, so what is the definition of package-lock.json? What is the purpose of package-lock.json? So package-lock.json file is essentially used to lock dependencies to a specific version number. This file is automatically generated or regenerated when there is a change in either the node modules tree or package.json file. Really? It automatically regenerated? Then why do we have to have that? It will get automatically regenerated. So let's try to investigate here in this video, and not sure why this takes so much time to create our Angular. Okay, so package-lock.json. This is from a Medium article by Atharva Kulkarni. So he posted this on October 22, 2022. Okay. What is package-lock.json and why should you care? What is package-lock.json? Package-lock.json is a versioning file that primarily contains the list of dependencies or libraries your Node.js project needs to run. It also includes other metadata information like scripts, author and license information, description, project properties, and etc. Okay, so an inherent problem in the above package.json, you can see the dependencies object maps package-name to the version range. Okay, we all know that. This makes npm install non-deterministic. So when you run npm install today, and then you run it again after 3 months, you may not end up with the same node modules tree. What does that mean? Dependencies or peer dependencies generally have a version range specified in the package.json file, not the exact version range. Alright. So, moreover, if another developer clones your project and runs npm install on a few days later, they may have a different node modules dependency tree. When multiple developers are working on the same repository, which is most likely the case in every organization, this might pose a big problem and lead to inconsistencies in the dependencies installed, or worse, breaking changes. So what's the solution? First, let's understand what the version range signifies. The version range is a string that contains one or more space-separated numbers. With numbers also contains some special symbols like caret, tilde, and um, the lesser than sign, or I don't know what's, yeah, it's lesser than sign, and some, yeah. Uh, you'll just read, I think, his article here. Hey, where are we now? Okay, so this one. Okay, these symbols tell npm different things. Let's say I want to install a package foo. After I run npm I for install foo, my package.json file would mostly have an entry like this. Yep, dependencies, yep, we already know that. This is our package.json. If we run npm I and then the foo, okay, if we install foo in our um, if we install foo, then this will add this. This will get added into our package.json. Okay. Here, foo is installed with version 2.3.0, major minor batch. The caret symbol tells something more. Okay, 230, caret symbol. This tells npm to upgrade to minor and patch version but not major version. So basically 234, 239, 248, 2.28, but not 3 onwards. Okay. Upgrade to minor patch but not major. Yep. This one here, the tilde tells npm to upgrade to patch version, but not minor and major versions. So 234, 239, but not 2.4.0 onwards. Okay, upgrade to patch, but not minor and major. There are a lot of other symbols that denote different npm version updating strategies. The official npm website is a good reference. So for foo 230, this one here, the caret 230 running npm install a few days later might automatically upgrade the minor patch version. Hey, what's going on here? Valid response. Timeout. So let's check what is our. Alright, so um, we'll try to reinstall because our installation did not go well. Okay, so let's reinstall that with the new ISP that I just set. So let's continue here. Alright, so if we do this, it will install a few days later. Might automatically upgrade the minor patch version. This is undesirable. But don't worry, we have package-lock.json to the rescue. What is package-lock.json? Package-lock.json is a log file that contains information about the dependencies packages with their exact version numbers that were installed for a Node.js project. It helps different developers working on the same repo to install the versions installed previously, even if the packages have released new versions. This ensures the same node modules tree across different machines environments. Package-lock.json file is essentially used to log dependencies to a specific version number. This file is automatically generated or regenerated when there is a change in either the node modules tree or package. Okay. Whenever we clone a repo and run npm I on a new machine, npm will first look for this one. Yep, file. If file is present, if yes, it will proceed with installing the packages given in that file. Otherwise, it will look into the package.json file and start installing the required dependency packages. A caveat to this is explained later in the article. Should you commit your package-lock.json? Yes, this file should be committed to the source repository so that when the developers clone your repo, they can install dependencies that exactly match the ones installed on your machine or environment. This is basically to replicate Node.js environments as it is on different machines. As of NPM version 7, the log file includes enough information about the entire package tree, thus reducing the need to read package.json files and thereby increasing performance as well. JFYI. What's this? For your information, just for your information. Okay. I just started on YouTube creating videos for beautiful JavaScript experiences. It is not coding tutorial channel. Do check out this. Okay, cool. Check out this video guy, his video guys, because yeah, I'm reading his article, so check out his video. Let's watch this. Okay, so compile 0. Check out. He has 29 subscribers. Man, okay. Check out this and support him because I have more subscribers. Okay, why when does npm install rewrite package-lock.json? Okay, caveat. npm install considers package-lock.json only if the packages to be installed are within the version range of. Okay, what's that? npm install considers package-lock.json only if the packages to be installed are within the version range of package.json. If the package version given in the lock file is not in the range of the version range of the package.json file, packages are updated and package.json is overridden. Oh, really? Hmm. Mm-hmm. So for example, okay, let's open up Paint. That's why I want my wife to buy me an iPod because we need some illustrations here. Okay, so for example, if we have right, so okay, so if we have um, npm install considers package-lock.json only if the packages to be installed are within the version range of package. Okay, so if the version range, for example, like 2.3.4, is it the one? 2.3.4? Is it in his example? 230. So if it's 230 carat 230, okay, where are we now? So npm install considers package-lock.json only if the packages to be installed are within the version range of this one. So the packages to be installed. So if the lock has 3 0.0, so that is not within the range of this one, because the range of this one is, this is, what is this again? Major. The caret tells npm to upgrade to minor, and patch versions, but not major. So 234, 239, 24. Oh, so minor. This is the minor. Okay, so this is the major, minor, and patch. So only the minor and patch. So 234, 239, 24, and yeah. So if these are changed, that is within the range of this one here. So this one here is within range. But this one here in package-lock, okay, so if this is 3.0.0, the npm install consider if only if it's in the package to be installed is within the range. Okay, if the package version given in the log file is not in the range of the package.json file, packages are updated and package-lock.json is overridden. Okay, so if this is the number of your package-lock, this will get overridden by this here, because you're not within my range. My range is just here, from here to here, right? If you want the installation to fail instead of overriding package-lock.json, okay, so that is where the npm CI is for. Man. So that is where. So npm CI, if this is 3.0, this is not within the range of our package.json. If you use npm CI, this one will fail. But if you just use npmi for npm install, this one here will get overridden. Okay, for example, you declare a dependency in package.json foo 2.3.0 like this. So in my example, then you do npm install which will generate the package lock. Yeah, correct. Okay, so there will be no TLD. Yep, it will. Correct. A few days later, a new version of foo is released, say 2.4.0. And then this happens. npm. A few days later, a new minor version of foo is released, say 2.4.0. Then this happens. npm install package lock version is within the range, so 230. So 230 is installed. Yep, correct. npm CI is this anyway. Only looks at the package lock, so to be installed. Yep, correct. Next, you manually update your package.json to 2.4.0. 2.4.0. Okay, so you manually update that. Why did you manually update that? Yeah, because you just want to update that because you know that there's a version 2.4.0. And when you install npm install, it will use this one. Okay, so because we have a package lock, it will use this one, even if this one here has a range. The latest version is within the range of this one, so it will install this one here that was added in our package lock. So we still won't have a 2.4.0. Okay, so this is the latest version of foo 2.4.0, but because we installed 2.3.0 and our package lock is 2.3.0 and 2.3.0 is within the range of 2.4.0, the version that will be used is 2.3.0, both in npm install and npm clean install. Okay, so next you manually update your package.json 2.4.0, then run npm install package lock version It's not within. Ah, okay. So it's not within. It's not within the range. Example 2.4.0. So 2.4 is installed and the package lock is rewritten to now show. Huh? Package lock version is not installed within the range. Okay, so if it's not within the range, it will be overridden by what is in here. Okay, so we update our we update our package.json and then we npm install. Um, so 2.4 is the package dash lock version is not within the range. So 2.4 is installed and the package the jack is rewritten 2.4. PMCI this anyway only looks at the package.lock, but since the version is not within the range, it throws an error. Okay, PMCI command is similar to npm install, except this meant to be used in automated environments such as test platforms, continuous integration, and deployments, or any situation where you want to make sure you're doing a clean installation of your dependencies. Oh, so it's already done. npm install is not deterministic, which poses a problem when you're working on a repo with multiple devs containing thousands of dependencies. The package-lock.json file ensures that the same node modules tree is generated every time npm install is run. A newer command, npm ci, ensures that it always creates the same node module tree, with otherwise throws an error. Okay, so let's try to run again. Okay, so if you have in your package.json, initially you'll have a foo that is carat 2.3.0. When you do npm install, it will create a foo 2.3.0. Okay, and this is the package-lock.json. And in your package.json, okay, so this is npmi foo. Okay, so the current version, how do we add this one here? Who will be adding if it's a caret or a tilde? Okay, so foo, oh shit, foo caret 2.3.0. Okay, the next foo 2.4.0 is released. Okay, so your package.json will now be so if it is released new version, which is, how do we move this? How do we move this? Okay, so if a new version of foo is released 2. Okay, so 2.4.0, and then we did npm install. So if we do an npm install, currently our package JSON is 230, and this one is not within the range. So whatever is in our package.json, which is Hmm. Our package.json is, well, now it be 2.4.0. Well, will it be like that? And this will be overridden to 2.4.0. All right, like that. But if we do npm-ci our package.json, we'll get an error. What? Is it correct? Let's read it again. Okay, so for you declare the dependency in package-lock to like that, then you install npm install, which will generate a package-lock.json. All right, npm install. Okay, so package-lock version is within the range. Yeah, two and npmi. Yeah, within the range. Next one, you manually update your. So you up. So because of this release, you upgraded your package.json manually. Then run this one. Uh, So package lock will get overridden, and then but your npm-ci only accept package lock, but then the version is not within the range. Okay, so that's why it has error. Okay, so let's see it in action here in our Angular, new Angular app that we've just created. Oh, is it? This is node mods. Go to package locker. All right. So this is our version. All right. So let's go. This is our node module. So let's go to package.json. So this is our package.json. There's a dependency, and then there's dev dependency. Let's check if I still have a. I have a node npm that we can install. Npm registry. All right. Jung, 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 jung. Burner, Oman, Jamaica, Aruba, Bahama, Hawaii, any hunter, and I go, Monica, oh, wanna we go? Okay, so where is the repo again? Um, I think it's G8. G8. J J table. I think this is mine. J table. This is by this guy. Dun, 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 dun. Some on the ocean. This is just a description, so we want to install this. Okay, so currently the version of our JTable is 0.2.0, and we want to npmi install. So we want to install. Do we have any changes in here? Nope, we don't have any changes. We'll install G8 table. It will install from npm. All right. Install unable to resolve dependency tree while resolving. Pop, pop, pop. Could not resolve dependency. JS command from. All right. All right. So let's try to force. Dun, 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 choo, 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 choo. Dun, 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 dun. So is there any, okay, so there you go. In our package lock. So here, this is a minor and patch version release version that will get upgraded if we is npmi, and this is where it's um, the location of the code. So in here, why is there like this 16755 167? Okay, so node module, what is this one again here? uh, okay, so this one here, ja table. Okay, so that's it. What versions do we have in here? Dependencies versions. We have 11 versions. Okay, so we want to so the package lock is already updated. I'm not sure why there's no like something here. Okay, but now um we want to use this one here, 0.0.1. All right, so if 0.0.1, what is it 0.0.1? 0.0.1. Okay, so if we move to 0.0.1, we want to install that ja table. So this one here is not within range. So what will happen? Will it get overridden by the 0.4s? Will it get overridden by 0.0.1? Let's check. All right, so we updated it to 0.0.1, 0.0. The package lock was updated to 0.0.1. Yeah, so it was updated. All right, so next is if we want to upgrade this to, or can you do npmci? You can do npmci now because you can do npmci because it was upgraded already with our npmi. So next is we want to upgrade to a different version, but we don't do the npmi first. We want to npmci first. And I believe that will cause an error because our packages are not in sync. So yet this things needs practice, man. This things needs to like put your head together. Alright, so next is we want to upgrade our version to 0.0.2. We will update this manually. And remember, in our npmci, then we do npmi first and npmci later. It won't have any error because the package lock was updated already by the npmi. But if like this, we have 0.0.2, but our package lock is 0.0.1. Or if we do the npmci first, this will now, hold on. and then force. This will now have cause an error because they are not in sync. See that? They're not in sync. So that's why they are not um, they are not in sync anymore. Alright, so we don't have to, yeah. Okay, so I think that's it for now. So what is our takeaway here? Our takeaway is um, if the generated package lock is the same with the package.json, so if their versions are in the same, you can do npmi and npmci without any issues. But if they're not the same, the n and you do npmi, the package lock will get overridden by what is in package.json. But if they're not the same and you do npmci, you cannot because it will cause errors. Right, so that's it. Good night, everyone. Have a blessed life forever. Thanks. Bye. Subscribe.